Can annual maintenance catch problems before they become major? Yes. Annual maintenance can find small problems early, helping prevent expensive repairs, safety risks, and sudden breakdowns. Annual maintenance means checking important parts of a home on a regular schedule, even when everything seems to work normally. A professional can inspect the roof, plumbing, heating and cooling equipment, electrical system, foundation, gutters, and exterior walls. Small warning signs, such as a slow leak, loose wire, cracked seal, or unusual noise, may be easy and affordable to fix at first. If ignored, that same issue can spread, damage other materials, or create dangerous conditions. For example, a tiny roof leak can slowly soak insulation and wood, causing mold and rot that may stay hidden for months. One useful fact is that maintenance can also improve efficiency because dirty filters, blocked vents, and worn parts make equipment work harder and use more energy. To make this actionable, keep a written home maintenance calendar, replace filters as recommended, clear gutters safely, test smoke and carbon monoxide alarms, and schedule a professional inspection once each year. Take dated photos and notes because comparing changes over time can reveal problems that are difficult to notice during a quick visit. A common mistake is waiting until something breaks, so schedule maintenance before the season when equipment will be used most. Another mistake is checking only visible areas, so ask about crawl spaces, attic areas, shutoff valves, wiring, and drainage. People also sometimes choose the lowest estimate without checking qualifications, so compare written details, licenses when required, insurance, reviews, and warranty terms before approving work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.